For this lesson, we are combining two things together. So we will start our linked database. We're going to name it 1.2 address book. I must already have one saved, so I'm just going to add the year, but you do not need to do that. And so then we are going to add all of our fields. All of these are short text. So we have first name, last name, street, city, state, and zip. And then there is data for you to enter on page 10. Like I said, this one's pretty simple, so we're not going to really make any other edits. You will leave the ID here. That just fills in automatically. Alright, so now I am assuming that you have all 15 entries entered from the book. And the next part, lesson 1.3, we are just going to add a piece to this. And we also need to save this table before we do that. So we're going to save it, call it address. And now we are ready to add our new field. And so here on our click to add, for this one we want to choose date and time. And for the format, we are going to say general date. Excuse me. And naming this birthday. And so then I'm just going to have to go in and then for all of my people, go ahead and put in their birthday. So Andrew's birthday is June 5th of 2002. And then I would go to my next one. When you get everybody's birthdays updated, you will save this again and turn this into Schoology.